How to view Instagram stories without seen. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can view Instagram stories without letting them know or without letting your profile name pop up on the view section. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now first things first, let's say that there is a certain somebody on Instagram, you want to view their story, but at the same time you do not want to let them know that you have viewed the story. In that case, the very first thing you could do is simply create a dummy account and then actually request to follow them and view their story if they have a public or private account. However, I'll also show you the other way. In that case, what you have to do is under this video, I have left a certain download link. You simply have to go ahead and download that version of the application which I told you. Once you've downloaded that app, you want to simply open the app on your phone and then log into your Instagram account. So go ahead and download the application. It's just an APK file, so go ahead and download it, and once you install the app, open it, log into your account, and we're going to go to our profile page first of all. Now once we go to our profile page, on the very top right hand side you can see those three horizontal lines icon. Go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines icon and you'll be able to see this pop-up menu option. At the very top, right above the settings option, you have one more settings, which is the application name and the settings option. So you can see this crown-like icon as well. Go ahead and tap on this settings. As you tap on settings, you'll see an interface which kind of looks like this. What you have to do is halfway down the bottom you'll find this option which says privacy. Go ahead and tap on privacy and you'll be able to see a bunch of different options as well. If you look closely at the very top, you have this label or text which says hide view stories, and all you have to do is simply turn this toggle on right next to hide view stories in order to not let anybody know that you have viewed their Instagram story. Once you have made sure to turn this toggle on, now you can come back and basically view just about anybody's story if you want, and no one else is going to get notified or no one else is going to know that you have viewed the Instagram story. This was the way on how you can view Instagram stories without seen. We hope the video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.